Emergency meeting. Crypto Bean is 69 back with another in-depth technical analysis on the crypto markets and Dogelon Mars. Before we get into the video, I have some important updates I need to go over with you guys about. So, all of you who are in the private Discord community will be getting kicked unless you are in the Patreon. Now, the reason for this is to maintain privacy and exclusivity in the Patreon. We strive for ambitious, motivated people to join the Patreon and the private community. So if you are currently in the private community and are not in the Patreon, you have 12 hours to either join the Patreon or you will be kicked. Okay? Now that that's out of the way, first of all, thank you for your cooperation. But now that that's out of the way, let's get into Dogelon Mars. So yeah, like I said, the private community. If you want access to the private community Discord, we strive, although we take in people from all different levels, we strive at the very basis a hard work ethic and ambition, okay? So if you have a hard work ethic, ambition, you want to learn, make money in the markets, and you're just starting out, all the way up to the top dogs who have been doing this for a minute. Being in the private community, you will be surrounded by like-minded people that you can have very intriguing conversations with and open your mind, perspective, and share knowledge. So that's personally what I love about it the most. But if you are interested in joining, then join the Patreon and you will be sent a link to the private community. And with the Patreon, you get daily updates, real-time buy and sell alerts. You can learn while you earn, things like that. But yes, go check out the tiers in the Patreon. I have limited some of them, so there's only limited 5 spots in one of them. However, if you're either on the lower or the higher end of things, you can take advantage of the opportunity while it's lasting. So if you are not in the Patreon and you want to stay in the private community, I suggest going into the link in the description and signing up right now. And I will see you guys in the private community. I'm revamping the entire thing. So we're going to have different sections for different things, for different types of people. We're going to have the king section. We're going to have the noob section. It's going to be awesome. Okay, there's going to be something in there for just about everyone. Now, if you're at the tippity top of your game, you guys are the most excited. You guys make me the most excited to join because you guys will have the best conversation and everyone can learn from you. So if you are at the tippy top of your game, feel free to head to the link in the description and join up and become a member of the private community. So, Dogelon Mars. This is not Dogelon Mars. This is CeeLo. So we're going to look up Dogelon Mars and see what is going on. Another thing, and I promise this is the last thing before we get into the charts, okay? I posted a poll. I believe it was this poll. How many videos would you prefer to see per day? Now, 45% of you said 1 video a day. 27, 2. 9% said 5, and 18% said 10, okay? So if you did not vote for 1 video a day, what I need you to do, especially if you voted for 10 plus, what I need you to do right now is go to the comment section and leave a comment, what you're most struggling with, what you need help with the most, what something you'd like me to go over, a different coin, technical analysis, theories. Just leave a problem in the description and I will make a video about it, okay? Sounds good? Sounds good. Okay, let's get into Dogelon Mars. Enough of all that. I hope everyone is having a beautiful day. And good morning, everyone. So we are currently, it looks like, bottoming out around these 1426 levels as we came down in the crypto fear and greed index and bounced off of, what was it, the 20s again. Yeah, normally around the 20s is where it bottoms. There's a lot of uncertainty going on in the world. another great conversation we can have in the private community. Now we can't go as deep onto YouTube because I'll get banned, I'll get whatever. But private community, we can talk about whatever we want. So that's something I'm very much looking forward to as well. But there's a lot of uncertainty going on, which is not only affecting the crypto markets, affecting the stock markets, affecting housing pricing. A lot of stuff is going on right now. So it's a very interesting conversation, but we are going to keep it to Dogelon Mars today. So Dogelon Mars is currently basing and creating lower highs in the short term on the 1 months. Last 7 days, we're creating higher lows. It seems we put in a double bottom and now we are coming up, and we are currently coming back down to retest this support level at this 1509. Very important level to watch. Right around this level, 1543 to 1509. Okay, that range is going to be important if we end up coming back down to test that. On the flip side, we have an upper range around this 1724 level at the top. Looks like we're lagging a little bit here, but at the top of here, right here. Here, let's just go up to trading view. I'll mark out some levels for you guys so you guys can be more confident in your investing journey. Personally, I've been averaging in and holding. So we haven't seen these price levels in a minute, a fat minute, okay? Now, what does that mean? That means a lot of different things, but it means something different now than what it did when it hit these levels before, okay? This is coming off of a 200% pump, and we're coming back down into these levels, okay? So I personally see it as a good thing. More volatility coming into the markets can go both ways. So keep that in mind. I'm going to draw some levels for you guys right now. So at the beginning, if we do start to pump, we're going to see it break these 1887 around these 19 levels, okay? That's the first sign. And if you're averaged in here, that will be a nice, juicy little gain. I'll draw it out here in a second. The second sign is we're going to either see it reject off of this 238 level or break through it. Now, most likely will probably reject as it has in the past multiple times. It may not be to the exact T at the 2389. It may go up a little more. However, we have seen it just kind of had, it's kind of struggled in the past as it's approached these levels. But what we are looking for is exactly what we saw here again, is one of those big green confirmation candles pushing through previous resistance, busting to new highs above this level. That's what we're looking for, okay? We are still looking for a bust above the 6804 levels. However, with all the uncertainty going on right now, we'll see if the economic climate has that in store for us, okay? I'll keep my close eye. You guys as well. And we should conglomerate, talk about it. However, on the low end, we have these 1269 levels. 69. And at the very, very, very low end, 1131. Right there. Okay, we've seen it bust through in the past, but immediately rebound. So right now, this is an extremely strong support level. Extremely strong support level. And if it does come back down to these levels, that will put in not a 1, not a 2, but a 3-time bottom, which is very strong confirmation levels of support for another move to the upside. So listen, if it does come back down to here, me personally, I would be buying a heck of a lot more, because the chances of it breaking through are much, much lower than the chance of it bouncing like it has 2 times in the past, now into the third time. So yeah, the overall market cap of this is around 85 mil right now. As we see it come back up, the market cap will go higher. and the odds of a double will become not necessarily lower, but a lot more money will need to flow into this coin in order for it to double. So right now we have a prime opportunity in getting in low, a prime opportunity to get in low, to average in low, so that instead of getting in at 100 mil, waiting for 200 mil to get a 100% gain, you get in at 80 million, wait for 160 million to make 100% gain. Then by the time it's at 200 mil, you've already made 150 plus percent, 160%, something like that. My math might be a little off, but around that area. So, like I said, the current supports we are testing right now, if you can't tell just by looking at the charts, this is for some reason a big level of support, and we've seen it happen multiple different ways. We saw it here push up and reject, and then we saw it here push up through, came back and bounced off. This is the first sign that this is a major support level. Came up, down, up, down. This is another major support level right here, but we came all the way back down again, bounced off of it again, boom, boom, boom. And now we are coming down and basing around this level. So if we do not see buyers step in, then our next level will be around this 1257. However, based on the past, we do have a decent probability of the price bouncing at this level and coming back up to around this this blue line here, 12368. Okay, so it's a decent probability, but yeah, right now, if you're day trading, that's different strategy than if you're buying long term. Because if you're buying long term, you're looking at this and you're thinking, holy crap, this is an opportunity. If you're day trading, you're looking at this and thinking, holy crap, this thing has been going down for the last week. What do I do here? No, more than a week, last month. What do I do here? Well, the good thing is the volatility seems to be coming back. We also saw a push up to here and then a rejection off of that all the way back down. So if you're day trading, it's a really simple move. All you do is wait for it to either break below here or wait for it to break above this level, okay? And then scalp a little. You scalp a little move. It's super simple. So, Crypto Billionaire 69. I will catch you guys in the next video. Leave a comment what you guys want to see. I am open to posting more, but not if it's just, random stuff. I want to actually be helping you guys. So I'm not just wasting your time every day. So if you have any questions or videos that you want me to go over, any technical analysis strategies, different crypto coin, whatever. It could be any questions you have, any problems you're going through, anything. Leave it in the comment section. I will get to it. Crypto Billionaire 69. I will see you guys in the private community. Peace.